Hey, I'm Alexander, also known as Dr.Draw. In this Domestika tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a dynamic feeling to your drawing, for which you will need nothing more than a pen and some paper. Let's start by drawing a box. This box is kind of boring. Let's see if we can add a dynamic living box. This one looks far more alive. But why is this one more alive than this one? Well, that's because this box is just straight. He's not really doing anything. But this box is moving over to the right. Here we have a stretch, and here we have a squash. That's what adds life to your drawings. Now let's take it one step further and make him three-dimensional. We're gonna add a line of action, a ground plane, and again add squash and stretch. Now let's add a little bit of line weight, which means using darker lines for the bottom and lighter lines for the top. And let's add a little bit more character with limbs. Some drop shadow on his legs. Striking a yoga pose. Now let's add a little bit of color by adding a blue background. And let's add some peach to the character. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to know more about drawing dynamic poses, be sure to check out my Domestika course.